morning, 5th class. Myself, Harpreet Kaur. I am your math teacher from Baba Kishan Das Public Senior Secondary School, Salana District, Fatehgarh Sahib. Students, in last video, you have learned chapter 1. In that chapter, you have learned about numbers. In that numbers, you have learned about ascending, descending numbers you have learned. Today we are going to start chapter 2, fundamental operation on numbers. In fundamental operation on numbers, what things you can learn from this chapter? First of all, let me see. We can learn about addition, subtraction, digital in place value, evaluation, multiplication, division, exclamation numbers and board mass. These points we will learn in chapter 2 in fundamentals operation on numbers. Students, in chapter 2, first we will learn about what is there in exercise 2.1. In exercise 2.1, there are some questions you have to solve. Like first one, we highlighted it that first point is our addition. So in first question, the question is solve the following. Here solve the following is there. There is no question like addition. Here nothing is written. So by seeing sign, we can estimate that what we can do. This sign is of addition and this sign is of subtraction. So by seeing this sign, we will do our addition. How we will do? First of all, we will write first digit number like 6, 5, 7, 4. After that, under it we will write this one. We will start from last digit like we will write 2, 0, 5 and 5. So what here its sign is plus. So we will do here plus. How we will do? Let me see. We will add it. 4 plus 2. Count it. 4 plus 2. 6. 7 plus 0. There is no value of 0. So 7 plus 0 it will come only 7. 5 plus 5, 10. Now 10 is there. So 1 we will carry to the first digit. We will carry it. Now we will do plus. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5. Count with me. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5. I think so you have counted it. It is 12. The answer will be 12,076. Next is of subtraction. See here the sign is of subtraction. So we will do subtraction. Subtracted. First I will write this digit. First of all, see the first digit is 8 and here first digit is 1. So which one is greater? This digit is greater. So greatest digit you will write above 8, 9, 9, 0. After that this digit will come here 1, 0, 3, 4. Minus it. Here we will put minus sign. Minus it. We will do minus. How we can do? Now here is 0. So it is smaller than 4. We will carry here number. How we will carry? This 9 will give 1 to 0. So its number increased to 10. This 9 had given one number to this. So one number will be less here. Here it become 8. 10 plus 4. 6. 8 minus 3. Tell me, count it. If you don't have, count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. cut 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit is there. Right here 5. After that 9 is there. 0. Down it is 0. From 9 no digit will be minus, then our answer will be 9. 8 minus 1, 7. So our answer will be 7956. Student, next question is solve the following. Here also you will say the sign and you will do the sum. Like first one, here you see the sign. Here is of plus sign. So first of all you will write the digit. How you will write it? See here. 2, 8, 7, 4, 0. Next is 5, 4, 9, 3, 8. After third digit is 1, 2, 3, 8. Here the sign is of plus. So we will put sign of plus. We will do plus here. 8 plus 8, 16, 6, 1 will be carried to the next number. We will add 1 to the next number. 4 plus 5 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 here, 1 we will carry to next one. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 0, 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 6 plus next we will do carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So our answer will be 96,060. Like this, here the sign is of minus. So how you will do minus? You will write first 70,000. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you have to put the minus sign because here is minus. So this is 0 is smallest. Here 0 is smallest. Here 0 is smallest. Here 0 is smallest. So they will borrow from the 7. All will borrow. How they will borrow? 7 will give one number to all. Like 7 will give to this part, to the this part 0, to the this part 0, to the this part 0. How it will come? Like this one has given to this 10. After that next has taken 0. It will become 10. Then next will taken. This will become 10. Next will taken. This will become 10. So last number will be 10. After that all have given to the number. All have given to their neighbor number. So this has given to this one. So here come to 9 because here 10 has given to this number. Here 10 will come. Here will be 9. Here also 9 will come because this has given to this neighbor. Now here also will come 9 because this 10 has given to his neighbor. That's why here also come 9. This 7 has given to this neighbor. Here it's come to 6. Now we will minus this. 10 plus, minus 5. 5. 9 minus 4. Tell me. Count with me. If you don't know, then put the line like this and solve it. 9 minus 4. Tell with me. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 4. How much it comes? 5. Like this, 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. 6 minus 1, 5. So our answer will be 57,655. Students, third question is subtract and verify the following. First we have to subtract it, and after that we will verify it that our answer is correct or not. First of all, we will do subtraction. How we will do? Like first, second question, we will subtract it. First, we will write 9, 8, 9, 2, 0. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. We will minus it. So, 0 from 0, 4 cannot be subtracted. So, he will borrow from his neighbor. Here it's come 1 and here it's come 10. 10 minus 4, 6. From 1, 3 cannot come, so he will borrow from his neighbor. Here it comes 8 and here it's come 11. 11 minus 3, tell me. 8. है ना? 8 minus 3, 5. Here 8 minus 2, tell me. 6. 9 minus 1, 8. So now we have to do verify that our answer is correct or not. How we can verify? We can verify by adding this two number. By adding it, we have to do addition. By adding these two numbers, we will get this number. So by that we can verify that our answer is correct or not. So for verifying, first we will write this number because it is greater. 8, 6, 5, 8, 6. 86,586. Next is 12,334. We will, what we have to do? Here we will put plus sign. We will do plus. Now see, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 2, 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Now this 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So see here, our answer came to this. Our answer has came na? These both are same. So this is correct answer. So our answer, this one we have done is subtraction, is verified by like this. Like this you have to do next question. Here also you will, first of all you have to subtract, because here the sign is of subtraction. Like this you have to subtract it. From 7, 9 cannot be done, so he will borrow from the neighbor. Here it comes 17 and here it will come 5 because one number has been given to the neighbor. So 17 minus 9. All of you do with me. 17 minus 9. Count it. Count with me. 8. So we will get 8. 5 minus 3. Do it. 5 minus 3. 2. है ना? 4 minus 2. 2. 0 from 0 cannot be cut down. So we will write here 0. 4 plus 4 minus 1. Sorry. 3. So this is the answer. To verify it, what we have to do? We have to add this two number. Add it. First of all, I will write this number because this digit is greater. So I will write here 2, 2, 8. After that 1, 0, 2, 3, 9. Add it. 8 plus 9, 17. 7 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 9. 2 plus 2, 4. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 1, 4. So, our sum is okay. Because after verification, this number is here. So, see here. This is, both are same. So, our answer will be correct. So, this answer is our correct. This one is our answer and this is correct answer. Students, like this, you have to practice in your fair copy. Okay. Thank you.